Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you thought of studying in Australia? If yes, then this video is for you. Today, we are comparing the cost of living and studying in two of Australia's most prominent cities, Canberra and Sydney. Whether you are planning a move for work, study, or just curious, we'll break down the key expenses like housing, transport, and education costs. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. Housing is a major expense in both cities. As of 2024, the cost of student accommodation in Canberra and Sydney varies depending on the type of housing and its location. For Canberra, on-campus accommodation typically ranges from 800 to 1,400 Australian dollars per month. Off-campus shared housing generally costs between 600 to 1,200 Australian dollars per month. Now comes to Sydney, on-campus accommodation typically ranges from 1,000 to 1,800 Australian dollars per month. Off-campus shared housing generally costs between 900 to 1,500 Australian dollars per month. These costs may include utilities and internet depending on the specific housing arrangement. Sydney is generally more expensive due to its larger size and higher demand. Transportation. Transportation costs are also a factor. Canberra's monthly public transport pass costs around 90 Australian dollars. In Sydney, with its more extensive network, a similar pass costs about 160 Australian dollars. While Sydney offers more options, it comes at a higher price. Now we have come to section 3, cost of studying. Now let's talk about the cost of studying. Tuition fees vary depending on the course and university. But generally, international students in Canberra can expect to pay between 30,000 to 40,000 Australian dollars per year for undergraduate programs. In Sydney, the range is slightly higher, from 35,000 to 45,000 Australian dollars per year. Additionally, Sydney's higher living costs can increase your overall expenses while studying. Now that we have come to section 4, which is groceries and dining out. Groceries are fairly comparable in both cities. For example, a litre of milk costs about 1.50 Australian dollars in Canberra and 1.60 Australian dollars in Sydney. Dining out, however, is pricier in Sydney. A meal for two at a mid-range restaurant costs around 120 Australian dollars compared to 90 Australian dollars in Canberra. So if you like eating out, Canberra might be a bit easier on your wallet. Now we have come to fifth section, utilities and miscellaneous costs. For utilities, Canberra is slightly more expensive with average monthly cost around 250 Australian dollars compared to Sydney's 230 Australian dollars. This is mainly due to Canberra's colder winters. Other costs like entertainment and shopping are fairly similar, with slight variations depending on your lifestyle. To sum up, Canberra offers more affordable housing, slightly lower day-to-day costs, and a moderate tuition range. Sydney, while more expensive overall, offers a larger transport network and more options for dining and entertainment. Your choice depends on what you prioritize, cost efficiency or the perks of a larger city. Well, there you have it, folks. Now you know the cost of living in Canberra and Sydney. Choose the city that floats your boat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video. Until next time, take care. Bye.